Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2019 F-150 LARIAT in ingot silver, black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 6.5-foot box. This vehicle has also had upgrades with a rolled tonneau cover, as well as a ROUSH Performance Level 1 kit, which includes extra 18 horsepower and 26 foot-pounds of torque, as well as the cold air intake. And you also have voice-activated navigation, backup camera. This has a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine, V6. It's a 4x4, and it also has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, as well as the LARIAT Chrome Appearance package, which gives you that bling. Front grille, bumper, tow hooks, running board, and handles are all chrome. If you'd like to take this out for a test drive, we'd love to hear from you or see you, and you can book it online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's also memory for 3 drivers, and you have this nice wood grain inlay. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and with the aid of your running board and grab handle, it's easy to get in. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. Now this is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start stop button. On your dash, any important messages will appear, your odometer reading, and you can toggle through the menu. So my view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center, you've got a little cubby to put items. You also have your hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. And you can see your display screen. You can touch on it, go into your sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You also have your climate, and you'll see the dual climate control come up on the screen. Navigation, your map will appear, and you can also put the vehicle in reverse. You're going to see your backup camera view. There we go. There's your map, and then your settings. You can slide through for different options, things like automatic updates, Apple CarPlay. You can even change the look of your display screen. Volume and tuner, and then down below there's your dual climate control, heated and cooled seats, fans in the center there, AC and max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. And then in the little bin down below, you've got a couple of USB outlets. Just press in the center and it'll close right up. You have an automatic select shifter, and you have drive mode. So when you press on that, it'll appear on your dash. You've got normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. There's a couple of cup holders, and there's lights at the bottom. That's your ambient lighting. And then we can open up the armrest inside. There's a nice little bin. Take that out. Lots of room down below, plus a 12 volt. So you can power up and connect devices. And there's another 12 volt and 110 off to the side here. And you also have a locking glove compartment. You're seeing that wood grain again. Auto dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener, you have your lighting controls, sunglass holder, you have a power sliding window in the back, and that's what that's for, and there's a twin panel moonroof, so we can open that up. As well, there's a power screen that goes across. You can control light and air, and in the body there's a grab handle. That just makes it easier to get in. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, chrome and magnetic colored running board, chrome door handle with intelligent access. So that means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. Keyless entry keypad, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. The body colored handle extends to the tailgate. Sorry, that's actually chrome, because that's part of your chrome appearance package. And just below the handle is your backup camera. The tailgate is lockable and removable. You also have backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you're ready to open up the tailgate, this is one of my favorite features. You've got just a double click of the fob. It powers it down for you. Of course, it helps if you unlock it first. And then you can power it down. There you go. Inside, it's nicely aligned. Tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And you've got that nice rolling tonneau cover that goes across to keep everything out of sight. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows, and you're seeing that nice wood grain inlay. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You simply pull the tab and then lift the seat up. That gives you more room on the floor. And then when you want to bring the seat back down, simply pull the tab again, and down it goes. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. And in the center, an armrest with a couple of cup holders. On the floor for easy cleanup is your all-weather mat, and you've also got extra carpeted mats, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center there's a couple of cup holders, 12 volt, 110 and USB outlets, as well as air vents on each side. Grab handle in the body, up above, hooks and lighting, that panoramic view, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. Chrome bumper, mud flaps, 6.5-foot box, rolling tonneau cover, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, auto high beam headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.